Soccer DBB number 381, and that is 2016 Topps Premier Gold 1 box break. Good luck, guys. Teams on the right. Last box for today. I'll be back live on Friday. Got lots of breaks for Friday, guys. Got Showcase. Got Champions League Blasters as well. Got EPL boxes. Select will be posted tomorrow as well. Alright, let's see how this box is. Here we go. First up, the jersey or a patch. Ooh, we got a purple. First thought it was black. Ooh, my heart. It is purple. 26 out of 50. It is for Julian Speroni and Crystal Palace, and that is Justin. Crystal Palace. Alright, here we go. I can see a purple already. We have Gundogan for City. And could be autograph maybe. Hojberg for Southampton and Everton. Romelu Lukaku to 25. And after that is John Barnes for Liverpool. Got Jamie Vardy for Leicester. Silver, Mikel Antonio to 99 for West Ham. Leicester Stadium. So this stack should have 2 autographs, guys. Come on. Hey, give us an insert auto. That would be nice. Come on. Oh yeah, I think we have an insert auto. Ooh, I think I know who it is. We will see. Got Burnley. Jamie Vardy, portraits. We got Gylfi for the Vor. I think it was an insert auto. Didn't want to show too much at once. Mkhitaryan. Got Berraino. Got Man City. Yep, that should be an insert auto, guys. Oh, let's see what the numbering is. 225. Good luck. Who's it gonna be? Who's that? Is it Liverpool? Is it Daniel Sturridge? It is Daniel Sturridge to 25 for Liverpool. Ole, congrats. Nice hit at the end of the break. All right, that's it for this break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. I'm out. Peace.